Okay, so it's load shedding right now, which means the electricity is out. So can't go into side spars. I'm going to see if maybe there's something up here I can use. If not, I'm gonna just go ahead and take a taxi. How's it going, brother? Go ahead and take an Uber to the hot train, and then I'm gonna take the hot train up to Santon City. I got a burger place, pizza place, street pizzas. Okay, we got a barber shop here. Oh, sorry about that. Look like a hardware store. What is this, a farmer's market? Menlo Park, fruit and veg. Let's look and see what they got, son. Oh, these mangoes. That's a good price. What we got to drink? How's it going, boss? Doing great, thanks.
Good. Okay.
Sorry about that. Oh, no, you go. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, actually.
No problem.
Oh, okay.
I'll help you if you doesn't seem like something you wanted.
Okay, now that's a soda. Do you have any type of natural juice, boss?
Yeah.
Natural juice?
Natural juice, I have this one. This one, the soup.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
The other one is this one, the soup.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it, boss.
Okay.
Kombucha, no. Oh, they're all big. Oh, here go orange. Alright, get this.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what else we got here. Are you good? I'm just looking. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Oh, grenadillas, kiwi. Oh, I need some lemons. Alright, cool. Man, these prices are good over here. How you doing?
Just a normal day.
What's up, boss?
Good, you?
Doing great, thanks.
It's just a normal date, nothing much.
Oh,
Just like in a lunch together.
you got it. I had to try to get change.
You always try to get change, I see.
I'm struggling with change.
I understand. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, and you too.
Alright, I actually like this place. Hey, look like we got some houses back over here. So from where I'm at now, I'm going to be taking an Uber to Hatfield Hot Train Station. Then I'm going to take the hot train up to Santon City. And I'll probably cut the video back on once I'm at in the hot train, so you can see what that looked like.